up, everyone? I'm Jesse.
And I'm Madison.
With the Jesse Peters team at Remax One Group, and welcome to our latest social savvy listing, which can be found right here at Unit 7, 110 Scotswood Drive. And what are we rolling with today, Addie?
You're not going to want to miss the top 3 reasons why we think you're going to love it.
So let the countdown begin. Number 3, move-in ready. Pick your spots for the furniture and call it home. With over 700 square feet, this unit has in-suite laundry, 2 storage units, a spacious galley kitchen, and a huge master bedroom. Number 2, you are located steps away from some amazing local businesses where you are really going to take advantage of. Thai restaurant, we got it right here. Butcher, you got it right here. You need a little quick chop, you can do it right here. You got a dog, they can get a quick chop. You like baked goods? Man, right there. And the convenience store where you need some chips and anything quick on the go, all right here. Plus, you are located steps away from the bus.
And the number 1 reason why you're going to absolutely love this unit is where it is. We're an end unit. Patio completely covered. You got green space. It's beautiful out here.
Plus, you are not even a stone's throw away from the pool. So if you like to entertain, you could do it all right here. We got the grill going. You get ready for a dip. And if you want to learn more about how you can make Unit 7, 110 Scotswood Drive yours, located in the heart of Casa De Sol, boom! There's the site. Check it out. Check out all of the fun details. And seriously, if you are a first-time homeowner or if you're looking for an income opportunity, this is it. So give us a call. And you know the drill. Stay social. See ya. Too early to start the grill?
Never.